Hi Gemini, welcome to your reading. So this is for your August 10 to August the 12th reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So, at nagla-live din po tayo doon. So, kung gusto niyo sumali, you're very much welcome. Kung hindi niyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. No? So, Gemini, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, what I am seeing in here is kahit ganun pa ba, no? Kahit na medyo magulo itong situation natin, kahit na meron somewhat energetic separation, or sabihin natin it's a mixture of energetic and physical separation, no, you still want or someone still wants to be with you. Parang ikaw pa rin yung bahay ko, ikaw pa rin yung uuwian ko, nasa iyo pa rin yung puso ko kahit na medyo nagsasabong na ito. There are people, or there's actually a person who wanted to be with you na kahit man lang kahit you are in separation, kahit na sandali lang makita ka, kahit na sandali lang makausap ka, makapag-explain, kung hindi man meron taon na actually gustong makita ka kahit sa malayo, no, ganun ka kamis ng taong ito. And I believe that this person actually parang sinasabi niya na lagi kang ini-imagine, laging yung isip niya laging nasa iyo, laging kumbaga sinasabi niya dito, hindi ko kinakaya yung isang araw nang hindi ko man lang naririnig yung boses, hindi ko nakikita, gano'n. Medyo may pagka-obsessive, sabihin natin, yes. And I think that's actually one of the cause why there is a chaos and conflict in here. What I am seeing in here is also na parang sinasabi natin masyado kang nasasakal, which is ayaw ni Gemini ng ganyan, no? Masyadong nasasakal, masyadong nakokontrol, masyadong, kumbaga, bakit parang wala akong buhay? 'Di ba, Gemini actually has two personalities, pwedeng living in a two lives. Tapos sa isang buhay nga, 'di ba? Um yung isang side ko sinasakal mo. Paano pa kaya yung dalawa? No, I can't. I cannot do this with you, no? Yung isa naman is parang nasanay na nandiyan si Gemini palagi. With the Four of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Six of Wands. So, parang kahit na may mga pangako dito, Gemini, na magbabago ako, ayaw mo? Parang kahit na meron ditong sinasabi na alam mo, gusto kong i-continue itong relationship natin. Pangako hindi ko na gagawin, pangako hindi na ako magseselos masyado. Parang sa'yo, ilang beses na bang pangako 'yan? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, meron kang ginawa minsan, no? Tapos, babalik ka na naman, no? Parang hindi, 'no, parang sa'yo nakakapagod. With the World card and the Ten of Wands, actually, kaya siguro din ayaw na ni Gemini, 'no, dahil medyo napapansin niya na itong nangyayari ngayon is, ah, meron siguro siya nakikitang opportunities for them na parang, kailangan kong i-grab yung opportunity for a change. It could be also an opportunity work or an opportunity of a person, no? Baka meron naman ding sabihin natin mas higit. Hindi naman nagto two-time kaya nga I'm breaking off, 'di ba? Di kung two-timer ako, di sana inano ko 'yan, pinatos ko. Hindi, eh. So, parang ayoko na rin with the Knight of Cups. So, and the Seven of Swords. So, parang kasing ang pinagseselosan dito ni person is parang baka iniisip niya is nagtu-two-time ka na. So, merong accusations dito na nagtu-two-time ka. Hindi naman nga gano'n. Kaya nga ako nakikipag-break, no? Parang sinasabi niya, kaya nga ako nakikipag-break dahil hindi na 'to nagwo-work and I wanted to be happy. I am wishing for your happiness as well, 'di ba? Pero bakit ba pinagsisiksikan mo yung sarili mo dito with the Eight of Wands and the Emperor? So nakikita ko, naku, hindi ka nito bibigyan ng madaling breakup, no? If Gemini, you truly wanted to have a breakup in here, I think na bubulabugin niya itong mga social media accounts mo, text calls, no? Six of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. May isip mo dito na bakit ba binigyan ko pa ng chance itong taong ito sa buhay ko, no? Parang inaantay mo na lang din dito na ayaw mo man maging masama, no? Parang nag parang pinipilit kang ilabas yung kasamaan mo para bumitaw na sila, no? Para sila na mismo yung magsabi na, "Ay, tama na, stop na." Eh, wala talaga eh. With the Devil card in here, the Three of Wands, ang nakikita ko, the more na nasasaktan, masokista yata itong person mo, no? The more na nasasaktan itong person, the more na mas lalo siyang na-in love, no? The more na mas lalong, I'm taking this as a challenge, no? Bakit parang you can search the energies, ha. Meron ako na nararamdaman dito na ibang Gemini na nasa kabilang situation with the stars in here and the King of Cups. So what I am seeing is this opportunity na nag-show up. Gemini wanted to actually take advantage of the situation na eto na yata yung time para maka-move forward ako, no? Whether it is sa poverty, whether it is sa itong relasyon na ito, hindi ko lang sinasabi. Meron na talaga ditong mga plans din si Gemini of how they can separate, no? Ang kaso lang kasi is parang hindi ka talaga, kahit nagkaroon kayo ng separation, bubulabugin ka ni person. Meron talagang attachment, no? Si person sa'yo. I don't know kung anong ginawa mo dito, kung anong pinakain mo. Ano nga bang pinapakain ni Gemini? Pero tingnan natin, no, sa mga susunod na panahon. Let's check the emotion. This could be their emotion or your emotion that might gonna show up in here. Uh, do you love me the way I love you and I wish we could be together forever? So ito yung question ng person mo, no? Ganun pa rin ba yung love na nararamdaman mo sa akin? Well, I think it's very evident that it's not the same anymore, and I think that your person here is really wishing, no, na kayo pang habang buhay, which is, I believe that you're already moving forward. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Leo, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Aquarius, Scorpio, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer. So yeah, this is your reading, Gemini. And para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No? Kung hindi po kayo kung hindi nyo po naaabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. And kilala nyo po yung sarili ninyo, no? Kung feeling nyo hindi talaga kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, sa description box po ng video na ito, sa pinakababa, nandun po yung link ng aking website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website, and nandun po yung question form. Sa pinakababa, pwede po kayo magtanong. Sa pinakababa pa, nandun po yung information na how much per question, the QR code, the name, the number, for your reference. I also created a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading, there's also a designated QR code for that. So, take advantage. Tuloy pa rin ang manhunt. Click, no, those fake accounts and then report it. Take a screenshot, send it to the designated email para po pag nagapi natin yan, pwede tayong bumunot ng lucky winner for a free personal reading. And kung hinahanap nyo itong X-Files, readings about exes, doon na po siya sa Facebook. The Facebook account is Babaylan TV, no? Para lahat po ng mga nag-aantay sa mga exes, no? Or gustong makabalita sa mga exes, dun lang po sa Facebook, no? Para hindi nag-aaway-away dito. Gemini, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.